Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the CompTIA Security Plus certification exam. In this video, we'll cover the main objectives, importance, and benefits of this certification for security and IT professionals. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is a globally recognized credential that validates the foundational skills necessary to perform core security functions. It's a benchmark for best practices in IT security and one of the most sought-after certifications for IT professionals. Achieving Security Plus certification demonstrates your ability to handle security tasks and responsibilities in today's complex and challenging IT environments. It's often considered a stepping stone to more advanced security roles and certifications. Let's dive into the main objectives and topics covered in the Security Plus exam: threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, technologies and tools, architecture and design, identity and access management, risk management, cryptography and PKI, governance, risk, and compliance. Why should you pursue the CompTIA Security Plus certification? Here are some compelling reasons: career opportunities and advancement, higher salary potential, industry recognition, hands-on skills, compliance with DoD requirements. To sum up, the CompTIA Security Plus certification is an excellent investment for security and IT professionals looking to advance their careers. It not only validates your skills, but also opens up numerous opportunities for professional growth and higher earnings. If you're aiming to build a solid foundation in IT security, Security Plus is the certification to pursue. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on IT certifications and career development. Good luck with your certification journey.